Download your fonts from the Internet. You can search online for free fonts, then simply click on Download to get the ones you want. Step 2. Locate font file on system. If they are in a zip file, right-click and choose Extract. Step 3. There are two options for installing your font in Photoshop on Windows. Option 1. Right-click on the font file and click Install, making it available across all applications on the computer, not just Photoshop. Option 2. Click on the Start menu, Control Panel, Appearance and Personalization, Fonts. You can simply copy and paste new font files into this list of activated fonts.